G'day, this is Doug from Doug Hewson YouTube, and here's another miniature YouTube news flash. Now this is just a quick one for you guys today. I know a lot of people have been reporting a sizable drop in subscribers in one chunk, and people are wondering, is this part of YouTube's usual subscriber purges, or is something going on? Because the numbers have been higher than usual in regards to a mass loss of subs, and a lot of gaming channels have been experiencing it in particular. But on Twitter today, Team YouTube have come out with this one that's going to go on the screen right now. It says, some YouTube gaming channels have reported an unusual drop in subscriber counts over the weekend. Thanks for your reports. This is related to a recent fix where we corrected sub counts that hadn't been updated for multiple days. The number shown today, April 30, is accurate. So if you're one of those people, I know just quite a few gamers that I follow commenting on Twitter about this. So if that's you, if you've experienced that, it's just YouTube doing their usual purge, but because the sub counts haven't been updating properly on the accounts, they just all happen in one hit in regards to what appears on your account, rather than the daily hits that you get with them. That's pretty much it. So nothing too much to report there. If you have any thoughts about that, you can leave it in the comments below, but make sure that you check out, make sure you follow YouTube on Twitter. There's Team YouTube, there's at YouTube, at Team YouTube, and different help YouTube accounts as well on Twitter. So check all those out, and if you want to get kept up to date with some of these little mini things that YouTube do put out, then just follow them there. Well, this is Doug from Doug Hewson YouTube. Make sure to subscribe if you want more little mini news flashes like this, and all the other content that we do here on the channel with gear and reviews of software, YouTube and more. This is Doug from Doug Hewson YouTube, and I'm out.